Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. Till now, we have solved many pattern problems and also some of the basic level questions like using the for loop and while loop. Now, we are going to start with the arrays and strings. Okay, first of all, we can complete the arrays and then we can move to the strings. Okay, let us see the first question. Sum of elements in an array. How to find the sum of elements in an array? Okay, before starting this, you have to know about, if you are using Python, you have to know about list. If you don't know about it, please go back to my playlist in Python and then watch full playlist, then come back. Or else you can watch the list playlist alone, then come back. It's okay. If you are using C++, you have to well versed in STL. Go and search for STL and just learn the vector and then come back to here, right? Because in more competitive programming we use vector rather array. Fine. If you are using Java, you have to know about array list. Okay, now to getting input in Python, we can use, see here, list of map of int comma input dot split off, which means, see here, first of all get the input from the user, get the input from the user and split. The split function means it will split the elements based on the what? Based on the space. If there's a space between two elements, those two elements are considered as the individual elements. Okay. Now just take each and every element and map to integer data type. That's the that's this highlighted point. And then now take those integer mapped elements and put them into a list data structure. Okay, now it will be the listed data type, right? So this is how we want to get the input from the user if we use the if we want to store the list elements. Okay, now initially s is equal to 0. Initially s is set to 0. For I in arr, I will take one by one element from my list, then s plus is equal to I, then print s. Just see here, just assume this is my list elements 1 2 3 4 5. Now my s will be initially what? 0. Initially my sum will be 0. Now I will take this one, and then add with 1. Sorry, add with s. So what? 0 plus 1 which is equal to 1. Right? Again, now I will take this 2 and then add with this 1. So it will be 3. Now take this 3 and I will add with 3, which means yes. So which is equal to 6. Again, I will take this 4 and add with the 6, which is equal to plus 6, which is equal to 10. Now I will take this 5 and add, just add, which is equal to 15. So my output will be what? 15. So this is how we will do the summation. Initially you set the s to what? 0. Okay. Now let me run this. See here, we want to give by using the space separator, right? Just 1 8 6 7 or 2. My answer is 17. Fine. Now see this example. We want to find the product of all elements. How to find the product of all elements? Just like the same like this code, but there's only different is this product symbol. And also we want to make the product as 1. Why? Because just assume my array is same as 1 2 3 4, like, right? Now product is initially 0. Let us take if I take 1 by 1 element, 1 into 0 is equal to 0. I can take this 2, 0 into 2 is equal to 0. I can take this 3, again it will be 0, and again 0 0 0. So it will be result in what? P is equal to 0. So my output will be always what? 0. So it will be wrong. Okay, instead of this I want to take P as 1. Now take 1, 1 into 1 which is equal to 1. Let me take another color. Yes. Now 2, 1 into 2 which is equal to 2. Now take this 3 into 2 which is equal to 6. Now take this 6 into 4 which is equal to what? 24. Right? Right? So my answer will be 24. What is my output? It will be 24. So this is how we want to take the product of an array, right? Let me exit here. Don't use p is equal to 0. Okay, be careful. 12. Fine. So this is what the sum and product of an array. Thank you.